Hey YouTube, the Awesome Unboxer here, and I got some Blu-ray pickups from Black Friday 2015 from my Walmart. Some promo Blu-rays. I'll probably just do them individually here in separate videos so you could see. So the first one picked up for my wife is 16 Candles, Blu-ray and digital copy. It was $3 or $3.96 or something like that. But here's the front. The side, here's the back, there you go. So picked up a couple of games for myself, a couple of Blu-rays for my wife, and here we go. Open it up, and the code, which I'll redeem. And then here is the Blu-ray. Looks good on the back. There you go. So there you go, 16 Candles on Blu-ray.